High-quality engine air filters improve airflow, enhance combustion efficiency, boost fuel economy, extend engine life, and reduce harmful emissions effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best car engine air filters for better mileage that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ARV Golf Engine Plus Cabin Air Filters Set Fit. This air filter kit is a well-matched upgrade for owners of the Honda Civic and Honda HR-V, offering both engine and cabin filtration in one convenient package. Its high-efficiency fiber structure stands out, capturing up to 99% of airborne contaminants, which helps maintain cleaner engine combustion and improves overall performance. At the same time, the multi-layer cabin filter enhances interior air quality by trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants, ideal for daily commuting. The low-resistance design is another strong point, allowing better airflow to the engine while reducing noise and vibration. This contributes to smoother operation and potentially better fuel efficiency. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for non-experts. However, compatibility is limited strictly to naturally aspirated engines, so turbo users must look elsewhere. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective maintenance upgrade that balances performance, comfort, and ease of use. Now our second product is EP Auto CP285 Premium Cabin Air Filter. This cabin air filter is an impressively versatile solution, covering a wide range of vehicles, from the Toyota Camry and Toyota RAV4 to premium models like the Lexus RX 350 and even luxury SUVs such as the Land Rover Range Rover. Its broad compatibility makes it a convenient replacement option for multi-car households or workshops. Performance-wise, it delivers clean, breathable cabin air thanks to an advanced blend of soda and activated carbon. This combination effectively neutralizes odors while trapping dust, pollen, and airborne pollutants, noticeably improving in-car air quality. It also supports smoother HVAC operation, helping maintain consistent airflow without overworking the system. Another highlight is its OEM-level compatibility, replacing multiple genuine part numbers and aligning with filters like FRAM CF10285. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal effort. For best results, replacing it every 12 months or 12,000 miles ensures continued efficiency. Overall, it's a reliable, high-coverage cabin filter that balances performance, convenience, and value. Our third product is Carry AF816 Engine Air Filter. This engine air filter is a practical upgrade designed for a wide range of modern vehicles, including the Kia Sorento and Hyundai Santa Fe, as well as other popular models like the Kia Sportage and Hyundai Tucson. Its broad compatibility across multiple model years makes it a reliable replacement choice for both personal drivers and maintenance professionals. Built to meet OEM specifications, it replaces key part numbers such as 28113, 1000 and 28113 and 9000, ensuring a precise fit and dependable performance. The filter is engineered with optimized airflow technology that enhances engine breathing, leading to smoother combustion and improved overall efficiency. One of its strongest benefits is improved fuel economy. By reducing airflow restriction, it helps the engine operate more efficiently, lowering fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. This also contributes to reduced engine strain and longer engine life. Overall, it is a cost-effective, high-compatibility air filter that supports better mileage, consistent engine performance, and easy maintenance across a wide range of Hyundai and Kia vehicles. Now number 4, 4-cord cabin and engine air filter fit. This high-performance air filter kit is a strong maintenance upgrade for a wide range of modern Toyota and Lexus vehicles, including the Toyota RAV4 and Toyota Camry, as well as luxury SUVs like the Lexus RX 350 and Lexus NX 350. Designed strictly for non-hybrid engines, it ensures precise fitment across multiple OEM part references, making it a reliable direct replacement option. The standout feature is its advanced HV filter paper, which delivers up to 99.9% filtration efficiency, effectively trapping dust, hair, and fine particles. This helps maintain cleaner airflow, smoother engine operation, and improved HVAC performance. With an extended service life of up to 20,000 miles, about 200% longer than standard filters, it significantly reduces maintenance frequency. The kit also includes 2 filters, offering 1 to 2 years of usage, adding excellent long-term value. By supporting cleaner combustion and stable airflow, it may contribute to better engine efficiency and reduced strain. Overall, it's a durable, high-efficiency, cost-saving filter solution ideal for drivers seeking long-lasting protection and consistent performance. And our last choice is Spearhead Max Thrust Engine Air Filter. This Max Thrust Engine Air Filter is a performance-focused upgrade designed to restore efficiency and responsiveness in vehicles like the Subaru Forester and Subaru Outback, as well as other compatible Subaru models, including the Subaru Crosstrek and Subaru WRX. It is especially useful for high-mileage vehicles experiencing reduced acceleration, weaker fuel economy, or sluggish engine response. The standout feature is its Hex-D pleat design, engineered to trap up to 2x more dirt compared to standard filters while still maintaining strong airflow. This multi-layer filtration system ensures that even as the filter collects debris, engine breathing remains consistent and efficient. By delivering cleaner, unrestricted air, it helps improve combustion efficiency, potentially boosting both power output and mileage for up to 15,000 miles of use. This reduces engine strain and supports smoother overall performance. Installation is simple and DIY-friendly, making a cost-saving alternative to workshop replacements. Overall, it's a reliable upgrade that combines durability, efficiency, and noticeable performance improvement for everyday driving conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.